Title: Fascinating insights about termites you never knew. You probably see a pest, an agent of destruction. But you're not. You're looking at an architect, a farmer. What if I told you that you're actually looking at one of the most sophisticated societies on Earth? A civilization that mastered climate control and agriculture millions of years before humanity even existed. You think you know termites? Get ready to have your mind changed. The premise for most of us: termites mean one thing: wood, silently being turned into dust. But that's like seeing a single person and missing the entire city they live in. A termite colony isn't just a group of bugs, it's a sprawling superorganism. It has a collective brain and a shared stomach, all ticking in perfect unison. We're going behind the scenes to reveal the superpowers that make termites nature's most misunderstood engineers. Superpower number 1. The gut of a god. Everyone knows termites eat wood. But here's the secret: they can't actually digest it. Wood is mostly cellulose, which is incredibly tough. The termite's real superpower is its gut, which is a bustling ecosystem of bacteria and protozoa. These microbes break down the tough cellulose into energy. Without them, a termite would starve with a full stomach. Young termites even have to get these essential microbes from older colony members. But some species became expert farmers. They don't just eat wood, they use it to grow their own food. Deep inside their mounds, they build intricate fungal gardens. Workers chew plant matter into a pulp, which they use to cultivate a special fungus called *Termitomyces. This fungus turns indigestible material into a nutrient-rich superfood for the entire colony, a sustainable agricultural operation they perfected 30 million years ago. Superpower number 2. The living, breathing city. If their digestion is a feat of microbiology, their architecture is a wonder of engineering. A termite mound isn't just a pile of dirt, it's a meticulously designed metropolis that acts as the colony's lungs. Some mounds tower over 30 feet high. If humans built to that scale, our skyscrapers would be nearly 2 miles high. But the real magic is the design. The mound has a massive central chimney and a network of smaller surface tunnels. This creates a natural air current, a passive ventilation system that pulls out stale CO2 and draws in fresh oxygen, keeping the temperature and humidity perfectly stable. This design is so brilliant that architects modeled the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe after it, cutting its energy use for cooling by up to 90%. Superpower number 3. All hail the queen. At the heart of this city is its engine, the queen. After founding a colony, her body transforms. Her abdomen swells into a massive, pulsating egg-laying factory, leaving her completely immobile and dependent on her workers. Her only job is to populate the empire. A mature queen can lay over 30,000 eggs in a single day, producing hundreds of millions of offspring over her decades-long life. She controls her society through chemical signals called pheromones. These chemicals tell her young which role to play: worker, soldier, or a future king or queen. She is the central command, directing the destiny of her empire without ever moving an inch. The twist: the social cockroach. With their complex colonies, it's easy to compare termites to ants. But they aren't related at all. Ants are essentially social wasps. Termites have a much more surprising ancestor. Genetic analysis has confirmed it. Termites are actually a type of highly specialized, social cockroach. Around 150 million years ago, a group of wood-eating cockroaches started living together, sending them down a radical evolutionary path. So you aren't looking at a white ant. You're looking at a hyper-evolved, city-building, ultra-social cockroach. Conclusion: the unseen engineers. It's easy to write termites off as pests that cause billions in damage. But that misses the bigger picture. In nature, termites aren't destroyers, they are creators. As one of the few creatures that can digest cellulose, they are nature's ultimate recyclers. They break down dead wood and plants, returning nutrients to the soil. Their tunneling aerates the ground, boosting fertility across entire landscapes. So next time, think of them not as pests, but as a hidden, powerful, and absolutely essential force of nature. tirelessly building the world right under our feet.